So let's take a look at how to store documents in the document server so that we can pick them up through Web Image Monitor. The key is we must store the documents using the scanning screen, not the document server screen. Let's take a look. So from the copier's home screen, I'm going to select Scanner. From the scanner screen up at the top, I'll go to Store File. From there, I'll do Store to HDD. That will put it on the document server's hard drive, and then I'll click OK. I can do any scanner settings by clicking on Scan Settings, and I can choose the resolution or the type of color or grayscale. Click OK when I'm done. Put my documents in the document feeder, and press Start, and the documents will scan into the document server. Notice it says 99% instead of going back to 100. So here I am logged into Web Image Monitor of my device that I just stored the documents into. I'm not logged in as administrator. You don't need to be. And in fact, it won't work if you're logged in as administrator. So don't log in. And for this version Web Image Monitor, I'm going to go to Print Job, Stored File, and Document Server, which is where the documents are actually stored. The documents on this machine go into Shared Folder. Notice that there are two documents stored in this document server. The one on the left was stored using the document server function itself, and there are no links to download. This one on the right, called Scan001, was the one I stored in using the scanner function, and notice that there are links to download. So I just click on one of those links, and there's my PDF. With this version Internet Explorer, PDFs open up directly in the browser, but if I put my cursor down here, I could save it. And I can save it to my desktop and name it whatever I want. I'll call it Scanned File. Notice because I didn't adjust my quality for grayscale or color, it didn't come all that great. It's only 200 dpi with black and white, so that's why it looks like it does. You can, of course, adjust your quality settings so it looks very good. When I'm all done, I can select my document or documents and delete them. Depending on the settings of your document server, they may delete automatically. So the good thing about this method is it's not operating system dependent. You're putting the documents into the document server, and you can get them from any browser. So remember, the important thing is to store the documents from the scanning screen, Store File button. When you go into Web Image Monitor, be sure that you do not log in.